This video will demonstrate the use of special tool adapter cable. This special tool is used during inspection and diagnosis of the airbag system. During inspection, one end of this tool is connected to airbag load tool and other end is connected to connector of the circuit to be inspected. Using adapter cable, turn the ignition switch to off position. Remove all the necessary components to gain access to the connector of the circuit to be inspected. Remove the connector. Connect one end of the adapter cable to the airbag load tool as shown. Install connecting pins to the other end of the adapter cable as shown. Insert the connecting pins into the disconnected connector of the circuit to be inspected. Refer to service manual for the details on pin numbers to be connected and further diagnosis of the system. Advantage and benefit. This tool helps to connect the airbag load tool to the airbag system. This results in easy, accurate and safe inspection and diagnosis of the airbag system.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.